On this gold H1 time frame, you will learn how you can sell on top and buy at bottom. On this intraday H1 chart, you will learn what beginner miss and how market maker makes sure beginner always stay on wrong side of the market. So there were two signal for premium member. One was sale signal before this final fifth wave, before NFP news. Then there was again a buy signal before triple bottom confirmation, before market start flying again. Then there was again signal for profit taking near 33.23 level. So basically, how you can do sell at top, buy at bottom, then again make profit on counter trend. Because beginner, they sell on low and they start buying in beginning, and before final low they run out of money and their risk hit limit and they panic. So first let's see, this was our signal before top, clear direction with arrow, then full detail video with trade plan, full detail explanation before NFP, then again a clear buy signal yesterday before market start jumping again. So how as a beginner you can do sell at top, then start buying again right at the bottom. First of all, this is H1 time frame. If you do trade plan on H1, then you will never get all information. You have to go everywhere, all the upper time frame above H1 and below H1, everywhere, then you make your trade plan. So first thing first, let's see H4 time frame, where you have all the information, the range high and range low, and what market doing right now. From this bottom to top, let's do small wave counting. 5 wave, market goes up with AVC flat correction, then came down in AVC wave, and top to bottom make 61% retracement. After that, market goes up, still up. So that was impulsive wave, 61% retracement, and market maker buy. Market again goes up. Who miss buying opportunity, they are looking for second buying opportunity. They wait for retracement. Market retrace 61% once again, they buy again. That was first buying opportunity. That is second buying opportunity. And all those buyers, they are waiting for range breakout. All of them targeting breakout of 3450. Same thing will repeat again, because new invalidation level is 3280 area. As long as price trading out this area, it is bullish. And all the buyers of this area, they will wait for retracement. On each dip, they will buy until price breakout above 3450 area. That was first buying opportunity. That is second buying opportunity. Range breakout or not, price goes up or not, or even reverse from this current area. But buyers have perfect opportunity. They have entry, and all they have to do just wait and watch. Because originally we were trading on H1. When we saw on H4, we saw why bulls are buying and what is happening. That was first wave cycle, retracement, our higher degree original wave counting. But above this low and before range breakout, these are sub wave. If we see again wave counting, then let's say that was wave 2 correction. Right now we are in larger degree wave 3, which is again subdivided. small 1, small 2. When market goes up, that is your third impulsive wave. Until third wave breakout and fourth wave correction start. What for more clarity? We start on H1, we get clarity on H4. Now we will go much higher daily time frame. Market is trading in middle of the range, and now it is third day. Gold constantly going up. More daily candlestick goes up, more bullish sentiment increase, and trader look for buying setup. These two low just explain on H4. They are buying entry and they will only wait for breakout. If you see in more detail on daily, there is a trend line on this area, because trend line is dynamic level, not static. So entry level will change every day. So retest, retracement, they buy 61% retracement. Trend line retest again, 61% retracement, they buy again. And all of them you can see on daily time frame. If they are buying trend line, they have two entry. All they have to do, just wait for range breakout. Now again, if you see weekly time frame, last week candlestick was blue, they bought retracement. This week candlestick, market goes down, dip, they buy 61% retracement near 3284. Now price going up again, blue candlestick once again on weekly time frame. Same like last week. If weekly candlestick goes up again, close below, that's mean last week become engulfing pattern near 3400. They already have entry and they have to wait and watch. Now if you see one more thing, originally we started on H1 time frame, but compared with monthly time frame, compared to monthly and H1, that is very big difference. That is the difference between small retail trader and big banks, who either change Fed FOMC decision in their trade direction. If they cannot change Fed decision, then they always have early access to Fed decision before public. So that is the difference between H1 and monthly time frame. Since beginning of the year, monthly candlestick goes up, but last 3 months price sideways. If this month July candlestick, if price goes up again, if candlestick close blue once again, then buyers have two buying opportunity, two retracement, and they have to wait just closing till end of the July month. And before month closing, you will have FOMC. So Fed do anything. If monthly closing coming over 3500, those bull already have an entry and they have to wait a monthly closing near 3500. Now let's see H4 time frame once again. Market goes up, AVC correction 61% retracement, and market start going up. Based on Elliott wave theory, it is bullish as long as trading above 30 to 45 area. That is first wave cycle convert into larger degree, and this can be possible third wave, which is subdivided into a small degree 135 impulsive wave. Forget Elliott wave for few seconds, only see price action and focus only on risk management. Market retrace 61, everyone miss, it jumps, confirm that there was wires near 30 to 50 area, and vertical price action confirm. You wait for retracement, 61% retracement area, but psychologically 3300 area, and you start buying, and you SL 30 to 50. Your profit target 3450. Then here still you have 3x risk reward ratio. You risk $50 to gain $150. If you entered at 3300 psychological level, SL near 3250 psychological level, and target 3450, and now price above your entry price, and you can lock and become tension free. Next week, CPI, PPI, Trump tariff, anything happen, you have entry and it is now risk free, because you risk $50 to make 150, risk reward ratio 3. Now I gave you all the technical reason to buy. Now let's see during entry time how you will do that. Because in previous post our target was 3300, price hit, goes down again, then why we wait again before buying entry when there was clear trend line and full retracement? Let's see 15-minute time frame once again for super clarity. 5 impulsive wave, market goes up, NAP news come, everything become clear. Because of market holiday, USA, market was closed. When trading week start, it start dumping once again. So there was technical and fundamental confirmation both. So after 5 impulsive wave, market do WXY correction and retrace 61, and technically it goes down more than 61% retracement. So that was first reason fib. Second, you can see trend line, and there was total 5 retest, and that confirm strong trend line. If you see more clearly, then almost double bottom on 3280 area, and 4, and which is most important part, when trading resume after holiday, market dump during New York Open, big red candlestick on daily time frame in GDX and gold both. During that time there was huge negativity for GDX, so based on sentiment anyone can say that was oversold. Next day, after retracement, market goes down again, but compared to previous day, length was very small. So question was, why power of seller decreased next day? What happened? Then third day, New York Open, nothing happened, price almost horizontal. When I gave signal that buy based on 3284 level. So first day they dump, second day power decrease, third day they do nothing. New York Open and price horizontal. But before we gave buy signal, suddenly so many news came. Copper tariff, that was additional and new information which came after NFP. CPI coming next week. If CPI trigger more buying, then this is the time to buy. If CPI trigger July FOMC rate cut, then this is the time to buy. We don't know, we will decide on CPI news, but if these two things are happening, then buy now. Another shocking thing, Trump audio leak where he talking about bombing Russia and send more weapon to Ukraine war. Previously he was talking about peace, but now he is talking about bombing Russia and increasing war. Additional information, attack on oil ship. Now that ship underwater, video is everywhere, you can see. And monetary policy, Kevin Watts, if he is new Fed chair, then monetary policy expectation. Trump said he will choose any person as Fed chair who will only cut interest rate, not hike, not pause. Suddenly his tone changed and talking about rate cut. That is a big shocking change. If this person is future Fed chair, then expectation change right there when price was trading near 3284. If you make list, technical I just explained, macro all of those things, then there were many reasons Suddenly technical and fundamental both become sync and they were saying buy near 3284. That is the reason I was waiting, because I can say when price was testing 50%, I can say buy when price was testing 61%, but market went down below 61% retracement. Stay there. Then I say start buying. If you ignore all the fundamental, everything, then at least you know trendline 5 retest is buying. 61% retracement is buying. Double bottom you can see is buying. You start buying on breakout, put SL below 30 to 84. Even if you apply Elliott wave theory, then visually you can see that was ending diamond chart pattern from this area. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then double bottom and market start going up again.